Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we will show the latest smartwatch, the Apple Watch Series 11 and Apple Watch Ultra 3. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Both two watches come with an IP6S rating. Display features. Both two smartwatches come with a Retina LTPO3 OLED display. Next compare the battery features. Hardware features. Let's compare the connectivity features. These smartwatches include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth 5.3 and NFC. Next compare the sensor features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.